Good morning. My name is Abhilash Ganesh Paunikar. I belong from Pune in Pimpri Chinchwad. I have recently completed my undergraduation in computer engineering from Northern Maharashtra Institute of Engineering and Technology in Telegaon. Apart from that, my hobbies is like creating a web pages, sketching, listening to music, and meditation also. So today's date is that 19th July 2021, and today's video topic is that StringBuffer and StringBuilder. Okay, so let us discuss about what is the StringBuffer and StringBuilder. So let me introduce first that what is the string and what is exactly the which data type of a string. Okay, so string is basically the non-primitive data type. So that is that non-primitive data type refers to that object, and it will be hence they are called is like a reference type. Okay, so for example, non-primitive data types like string, array, then like interfaces or classes, etc. Okay, so string is the type of a non-primitive data type. So in that string is a sequence of a character, but in Java that string is an like a object. Okay, so but that represents like a sequence of a character. Okay, so the java.lang string is that class is used to like create a string of an object. Okay, so the Java provides like three classes to represent as a like a sequence of a character. First one is that the string, then string buffer, and string builder. Okay, so the string classes is like a immutable class, and string buffer and string builder is like a mutable. Okay, so like a string is an object which is represented as a like a sequence of a character. Then one of the most popular classes are used while programming in Java by developer. So but since the strings are immutable. Okay, so Java came up with that two utilities classes like string buffer and string builder. So string buffer 2 that will make to that like a string manipulation is easy. Okay, so these are like a mutable objects which is like a methods as a string, then like a delete, or it may be like a append, then insert, and that is the for a string manipulation. Okay, so then like we can modify the string without any like creating a new object of that string. So a string is an it means like a thread shape. Okay, so whereas the string builder is not a thread shape, then it may be like therefore it is faster than the string builder, or it is also like a string concat plus operator uh, internally like uses the string builder, or it may be like a string buffer classes. Okay, so what is the basic difference in that like a string builder and string buffer? So like a string buffer is a thread shape, and it will be like a synchronized, and string builder is not a thread shape, and it is not a synchronized. Okay, so it will be also called as a asynchronized. So that string buffer is used to when threaded multiple threads are working on the same working on that same string, and it may be like a string buffer. String builder is used when in a single threaded environment. Okay, so it may be like a string buffer performance is slower than as compared to the string builder, and string builder is faster as compared to that like a string buffer. Okay, so it is basically based on that following two types, first one is that mutable, then another one is that performance. Okay, so let us look into that each one of them one by one. Okay, so what is a mutable? Then mutable, when we compare the about terms on the factor mutability, then as I mentioned before, the strings are immutable. Okay, so while string buffer and string builder are mutable, so the strings cannot be change when you use the string classes. So whereas the string builder can change if you use the string buffer and string builder classes. Okay, so next part one is that the performance. So in string builder is faster than like a string buffer, as it offers no synchronized. So this is because of that no extra overhead needs to be added to that system, and it may be also slows down the processing. So the string buffer was the only choice for that string manipulation until the Java 1.4. That but it has like a one disadvantage, that all of its public methods are synchronized. Okay, so string buffer provides thread safety, but a performance is okay, like a performance cost. So in most of the sequence, in most of the scenarios, we don't use a string in a multi-threaded environment. So Java 1.5 introduced a new class that is also called as the string builder, which is similar to that like a string buffer, except for that thread safety and synchronization. Okay, so it may be like a synchronization has some extra methods such as a substring, then length, or it may be like a capacity, then like a trim to size, or it may be etc. So it may be however these are not required, since you have all the not required since you have all this present in string also. So that's why these methods were never implemented in that string builder. Okay, so if you are like a single threaded environment, or you don't care about thread safety, or you should use string builder. Otherwise you can use as a string buffer for that thread safe operations. Okay, so this is the main concept of that, like a string buffer and string builder. So basic main concept is that we don't use a string in a multi-threaded environment. So the Java 1.5 introduced as a like a new class. String builder, which is similar to that string buffer for a thread safety and a synchronization. Okay, that's all about it. Thanks.